This is Peter Lau. Today is Saturday, May 25th. I'm at 1424 Linda Vista Avenue, Pasadena, California. I'll be entering through the front side cleanout, and it's actually a little bit hidden. So this is the front side of the home. That's the table as you walk past the driveway. And then as you walk in towards the planter area to the right, it's just in the ground over here. So it's got this white cap that just goes right on top of this access over here. In a brief moment we will be transitioning to the end of the sewer line, as that provides the clearest video. We're about 117 feet into the main sewer line where it ties in with the city sewer at a depth of 10 feet. I'll be making my way back towards the access point. So we're actually working our way back from cast iron. So cast iron is primarily used up until that city sewer connection to where it turns into clay. So cast iron typically, one issue that's frequent with cast iron is scaling. And what scaling is basically a buildup of minerals that gets kicked onto the interior side. The distance indicator is noted on the bottom left hand side of the screen. That's actually just a leaf within the line, so that's not really any debris that you need to be worrying about. So as stated previously, I am working my way back from that city sewer connection back to the home. And the reason why I do that, like I said, it just provides the clearest and most concise video. I do run water before and during the inspection, just to make sure everything's flowing properly. So that's why you're seeing a little bit of residual water on the bottom side of this pipe. Once again, we are working our way back, so the distance indicator on the bottom left, the number is indeed going down because I am pulling back towards the home. With about 90 feet remaining, still working our way back from cast iron. Working our way up a downturn. And currently working our way back up a slight slope. With about 75 feet remaining, still working our way back from cast iron. The line thus far looks to be free of any debris buildup. So that's another reason why I like to run water. It helps me to locate any stagnant water within the line, because that could indicate other issues. However, we're not seeing any stagnant water as of yet. If we do run into any issues, I will talk more in detail about them. However, we are just still working our way back from cast iron. So another thing with scaling, it makes it hard to detect if there are any cracks or leaks. As I am inspecting the interior side of the pipe, I cannot tell if the pipe is actually letting out water. So we actually have transitioned to materials from cast iron to clay. This is not very typical, however, there's nothing wrong with this necessarily. So clay, typically used as you get further away from your home, past the driveway, or rather could also lie within the driveway. In this case, it is running towards the right side of the home. And I'll elaborate on that further as we get out of the sewer line. So some issues that arise with clay are offsets. So this is a perfect example of what an offset looks like. Basically, where two sections of pipe join together, at the joint it becomes off-centered, which allows for moisture to seep out of the pipe and allows for roots to grow in. So that's not the case here. There's no root intrusion at the present time of inspection. 40 feet remaining. More offsets within the clay portion of the line. Once again, that is completely normal to see. Offsets generally happen over the course of a long period of time. The clay portion of the line thus far looks to be free of any material defects and debris buildup. And there is just a little bit of water here. As I stated, water was running prior, and you can see this water is actually cleared up already, so I don't consider that to be any standing water in the line. And more offsets within the clay. With about 10 feet remaining. And now we're working our way back out the access. And this concludes the inspection of the main sewer line. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to call, text, or email me. Thank you.